Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how to fix if iMessage is not working on your iPhone in iOS 16. So if you have this problem in your iPhone that iMessage isn't working, then I'm going to show you how you can fix this problem. So let's get start the video. Before we start the video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming videos. So the first step is make sure that iMessage service is not down. So if the iMessage service is down, you will not be able to use iMessage until it's activated again. So for that you can just simply go to Google and search for Apple system status. You can see if iMessage is down. So the next step is make sure that your internet connection is working. For that you can go to YouTube or Safari browser to make sure that your internet connection is working. So if the YouTube is working or the Safari browser is browsing, that means your internet connection is working. Then move on to the next step. The next step is make sure that iMessage is turned on. For that you can just simply go to settings, scroll down, and then click on messages and make sure that iMessage is turned on. So if it's turned off like this, you can just toggle and turn it on. So once you have made sure that your iMessage is turned on and it's still not working, the next step is you make sure that restart your iPhone once. It can fix your problem. And if it's still not working, now you just simply go to setting, click on general, go to software update, and if there is any update available, make sure that you download that update and install it in your iPhone. So once you have done this and if it's still not working, then you have to sign out your Apple ID from your iPhone and sign in again. For that you can click on your Apple ID and then simply click on sign out, enter your passcode and sign out your Apple ID, then sign in back again. So once you have done this, then the next step is reset your network setting. If it's still not working, then go to setting, click on general, scroll down, click on transfer reset, click on reset network settings, then simply enter your iPhone passcode and click on reset network setting. This will delete all network setting. So you make sure that you have the Wi-Fi password because it will also remove the Wi-Fi. So once you done reset network setting, your iMessage will be activated and start working. And if it's still not working, then the next step is you have to factory default your iPhone. If you do that, you will lose all of your data. Make sure that you have backup of your data so you can restore later. So hope this video helps you. If it does, then leave a like and comment. Thanks for watching.